Ah! Oh! 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 Alright, cool. So the set rep is I'm going on a Friday night to do an audition at my brother's flat. So yeah, let's go. Tenacious right now, right? Let's go. Damn, bro. What the hell's going on here, bro? Nothing at all.
How's it going?
Fridge tour.
Yes, evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Jack Smith's fridge. My fridge.
Yeah, man, you got too many exalts, man. You're going on a YouTube.
I'm a baller, innit? I can afford. I can afford my exalts drink.
Jesus Christ.
Highly recommend them.
Oh no.
Okay. Now in here we have 3 bottles of Sananga. Yeah,
Is that legal?
Straight from the Amazon rainforest.
Now, Sananga apparently helps to open up the third eye and inner visions. I'm not sure though.
Now I'd love to, Alfie, go try it. This shit,
Right.
you've got no vision. This shit, yeah. Hold on.
No.
This shit feels
Bro,
like.
you're gonna make me go blind or something. Man.
Man, you have to have faith.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's hard to. This shit, yeah. You put that in your eye.
Whoa, bro.
You ready?
Right now.
Flip the camera.
Oh shit.
Bro, it's gonna hurt, you know that.
Oh, I don't know about
Which
this,
which
bro.
eye is worse?
The right eye.
This one?
No, the right eye.
Alright, you ready? Wait.
Missed. Ah. Oh. 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 Oh.
He's gonna burn.
Just.
Yeah.
Nah, you sure this is safe?
Yeah. Bro, there's no pain, no gain, man.
Oh.
You just had one drop.
Bro.
Yeah, I take this shit every morning.
That's tapped. It's like spice in your eyes, fam.
Oh, shit.
Jesus Christ. You're only supposed to put it on one eye.
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
No. Of course, you gotta do both eyes, but you just for the experiment, you can only do
That's why I
one.
got eye infection. Jesus Christ.
Anyway, so we
Jesus Christ.
Then we have our yoga moms, of course. We've got the Simmer meat, the Simmer fucking eats.
Shout out to Simmers.
Shout out to Simmer eats. Shout out to Charles, because with Charles Kerr's discount code, you can get 30% off, which I can't believe I'm not even utilizing right now.
Yeah, mate.
Right, and then fucking blocks of cheese.
Just cheese.
Because it's high in fat, and I'm a skinny dude, and I need lots of fat.
Skinny, yeah.
And then
Say no more.
let's go into the medicine cupboard, because you know, as I say, 21st century man, we need fucking every single supplement.
The hell is
under
that,
the
man?
sun. There may even be a few funky substances in here, and more stuff from the Amazon rainforest that Alfie's gonna try now.
No, what is that, bro? Is that to go?
No, bro, it's what do you call this stuff? Rapè.
Ooh.
So you put that in there.
It's like 11:30, bro.
And you smoke that shit up the nose.
Nah.
Are you ready?
No, it's like 11:30, fam. Baby, I'll relax a little bit because I need to go to sleep. Jesus Christ.
Why don't you try it, man?
I don't know, bro. Isn't that going to keep me awake?
Oh yeah, and this stuff, oregano oil. Yeah, that's how you cleanse your entire system, and you will shit out everything that you haven't shit out in years. It's crazy what I saw. This stuff out.
Okay. Pleasant.
You've got this costs 250 quid.
£250.
Yeah.
What's this?
This is shilajit. This is raw living shilajit because there's a lot of fake shilajits around.
Okay.
And flipping out. As I say, you need to be very. Wait, is this a new one? I think this one's new. It's like black tar.
Tar. Nice.
And you scoop that out, you eat that, and then you get incredible testosterone.
Okay. Testosterone unleashed. Maximum tenacity testosterone. Jesus Christ.
Yeah,
Okay.
Obviously lines, man, because I am ADHD to and this is the only thing that keeps my brain aligned and allows me to somewhat produce content and things. If I didn't have this, then I'm going crazy.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alrighty then.
Yeah. Gripzilla.
What the hell is that, bro?
Forearm strips
Jesus Lord.
and things like that.
Have mercy. Cool.
But